Good morning, class. So, today in English literature, last time I have completed this chapter, isn't it? Festivals. New James Reader Festival chapter. I have completed. I done these exercises and send the snapshots to you all, isn't it? But today we'll do a little bit revision. That is, we should know these things. The birthday of Jesus Christ. When was the birthday of Jesus Christ? Children, you should know. The birthday of Jesus Christ was on a Christmas day. It was Christmas. We celebrate Christmas as the birthday of Jesus Christ. Now, Guru Nanak's birthday, the birthday of Guru Nanak is called the Guru Parab. The birthday of Guru Nanak is called what? Guru Parab. Which is the festival of lights? The festival of lights is Diwali. It's a festival also. The festival of light is Diwali. Next, which is the festival of colors? Holi is the festival of colors. The festival which comes after Ramzan is Eid. The festival that comes after Ramzan is Eid. The Parsi New Year is Navroz. The Parsi's New Year is Navroz. So, now let us do the question answers. Let us do question answers. I'll be giving the snapshots. You can see it. I have done few questions of my own. You can go through it. When is Christmas celebrated? Christmas in full sentence. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. So when is Christmas celebrated? Christmas is celebrated on 25th December. Why is Christmas celebrated? Can you say why? Because on that day, Lord Jesus Christ was born. So it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. Why is Christmas celebrated? It is the birthday of Jesus Christ. What is Navroz? Navroz is the Parsi New Year. What is Navroz? Navroz is the Parsi's New Year. When is Guru Parab celebrated? Guru Parab is celebrated on Guru Nanak's birthday. So when is Guru Parab celebrated? Guru Parab is celebrated on Guru Nanak's birthday. On which festivals do we play with colored water? Can you say on which festival? On the festivals of Holi, we play with colored water. What is Ramzan? Ramzan is a month of fasting. This is a month when Islam people, they fast for 1 month and then this Eid comes. The festival of Eid comes after 1 month of Ramzan. Name the special sweet of the Eid. In Eid, what sweet do they eat? Which sweet is special? On the Eid, the special sweet for Eid is what? Sewain. The special sweet for the Eid is Sewain. Now, another thing, we also got to know who said these words. I will go home and help my mommy to bake a cake. Like this inverted commas sentence will be you have to practice from all chapters. That who said these words. Any line can come inside the syllabus, the chapters we have been done for first term. Okay. I will go home and help my mummy to bake a cake. Who said? Dora said this. On Navras, we make a special sweet called Rava. What is the special sweet? It is Rava. I love Eid. Who said this? Elia. I love Eid, Elia, because it's Elia's festival. Our festival is Navroz. Dora's festival is Christmas. And it is a festival lights. Whose festival this? This is the festival of Veer. So, this chapter we have learned. It's all about the festivals. As you know, festivals are always with fun all over the year, after hard work, after studies, everything. We wait for the festival, isn't it? Why? Because festival gives us lot of fun. We can eat good dishes, put on new clothes. Then what? We can meet our friends. Then we can meet our relatives. So on festivals, we are all in a very cheerful and happy mood. And on that time also you'll find at home, guest comes and you also are invited to other people's house, either for lunch or dinner during the festive time. Another thing you remember, in all festivals, sweets are distributed to the friends and relatives. Whereas for Christmas, for Christians, they give out cake. And for Parsis, they also decorate their house. They make the special sweet called Rava. And in Eid, you also find they cook a lot of good food. That is biryani, paratha, chicken curry. And their special sweet is what? The special sweet is sewai. Okay? And in Diwali, what sweet is specifically distributed? You know, children, on Diwali means we all know what? Laddu. Yes, round laddu, yellow laddus. And especially on Diwali's, laddus are distributed among the friends and relatives. And Holi is a festival when we play Holi, when we go to somebody's house. They also offers us juice, sweets to eat. So this chapter is over. Question answer snapshot I'll be giving. You go through it and learn nicely. Okay. So this chapter is totally complete, and I also did a short revision. So next day I'll do the revision of a visit to Granny. Okay. And that day also I have done some few question answers of my own. I will teach you as well as I'll give you the snapshot of it. Okay. So next day revision will be Granny. So after that we will do the revision of Jojo's Pet. Okay. And Rainy Day and 2 poems left. We will complete it. So stay happy, stay healthy and stay safe. So we meet on the next class. Hope you all have got the routine, and our exams are going to start from when? From 6th of October. So be serious, study well. Bye.